Good morning, guys. Today we start a journey. Wake up very early, then we start a journey. We want to go to the African village in Togo. It's called tognewou-pome. It's near to the Afagnan. We are going to start a journey from city center Lome. Just our driver started drive from here. I like to inform you that in here with me some of the Togolese. There are three sisters and one brother. They're staying in the city. Earlier I speak with them and interested want to go to see their village. Then today we are going with them. Still we are in city. Just city is quite beautiful. I'm showing you in the left side. On my right side is the Atlantic Ocean. Also the nice view on right side. Maybe when I will be back I will show you the right side. Yes, still we are going on. Then stay with me. Today I'll shoot you. Then you can see will be see lifestyle of the African village and food of the African village. I'm in the Togolese foods and how the Togolese rural people in staying in the village. Guys, I like to say that regarding the Togo. Yes, I want to inform you that Togo is the official name of the country. Togolese Republic is a country in the West Africa, bordered by Ghana to the west and Benin to the east and Burkina Faso also in the east. Earlier it was a German colony. Is earlier the 19th century until the First World Wars, when it was divided by England and French in 1914. Earlier it was named the Togoland, now become after the First World War it's become the Togo. Now we are going, yes, we are seeing there is a boat. This is the petrol pump. In here is the petrol pump is quite nice, the beautiful. Yeah, now we're crossing next to the port. Yes, we start our journey from the capital of Lome, from the city center. In capital of Lome is beautiful and quite clean. In capital Lome are some of the multi-store at the Grand Marché Bazaar. Grand Marché by, yes, we are watching some container. Yes. Now we are just cross over to the city. We can see beside of the road. Yeah, most of the farmer they cultivate of corn. By local language, some of they say it's maize. Yeah, it's called the corn. The maize. Yeah, the capital of Lome. Here there's some of the big market in here, and also here I will show you my next video. And also here the fetish market is the black magic. It's by local language it's called the Bodo market. Togo has also received this ranking as the saddest country of the world in danger part because it has been overlooked by the saddest part. Have to drive more than 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours and around 30 minutes we have to drive to reach to the destination. Yeah, we are going to we are watching the both side. The most of the farmer they cultivate in the corn. Which one is the very famous food in here? They every day morning when they take their breakfast by this corn, they make is it's called the comb. Yeah, after that we also take breakfast by this corn. It's by local language called the comb. Yeah, the cornfield both side you are watching. Yes, still same. We have to go to quite far away. The cornfield both sides. Yes, both side also same cornfield. Yeah, we are half of the way watching some of the working in the field. Yeah, here the most of the people using a motorcycle, motorbike like a taxi, which on by paid. We're already going to cross over more than an hour, going to 2 hours. We are watching the both side is very natural, quite nice scenery, very beautiful the country. Yeah, the morning weather also quite nice. Yeah, actually in here the Togolese people is very good with the foreigner, those who like to visit in here. Maybe some of the places is a bit dangerous, but so far we will not see that. Then here most of the people is quite good and very nice. So yeah, now we are going to start with the journey to our village. It's going to nearby. Maybe after a few kilometers we are going to reach the village. Maybe it will take the half an hour. So guys, stay with us so we can see the village in here. Finally we are reach the village, the tognewou-pome. We are already close to the Afagnan. Then we are reach already in the village. Yeah, this the we are watching this guy, the old man. His name is the Adasudi, Mr. Adasudi. He has the 3 wives and 27 children. Yeah, some of his children they was with me. Then I go with them to their village. Yeah, 3 of his daughter and 1 of his son, they're staying in the capital of Lome, capital of the Togo in the Lome. So with them now I go to see their village. Yeah, see the village house. Yeah, quite nice. The village houses for me nice, but they're living under the poverty. I like to inform you that in the poverty of Togo, 81.2% underline the poverty. Yeah, Togo rural population lives. Yes, you see. Yeah, just see a house, how they make the house. Yeah, very small house. They're staying with this house. Yes, then for the morning breakfast we come to outside from the village. Here like some shop, like can say a mini market. Then the lady is the cooking. It's called comb by maize powder, corn powder. Yeah, she making. Yeah, almost going to done. A few minutes we can eat. So just let take a break. Then you guys watch. We're ready for it. Yeah, it's ready to serve. Yeah, maybe within 5 minutes. Yes, we're going to eat. Yes, this is the breakfast. This combo with the fried small the fried. Yeah, then after that, this is the school of a village. Yeah, the school is open. There is no electricity. It was a Sunday. Yeah, that's why no student is here. Okay, right now I'm going to show you guys. After visit the school, we are going to wear the Benin, because the village is the last village in the Togo, the border of the Togo and Benin. It's called the tognewou-pome, the village name of the tognewou-pome. With some of the Togolese guys. There we can see front of the cornfield. Yes, this is the cornfield. Then after this cornfield is the Benin. So some of there is no border, no security, no police, no one is here. Very easy, you can cross there, but we are not going to cross. Just we can see that. Just you can see, guys. That side is the Benin. The next to the cornfield is the Benin. Yes, this is the border of Benin and Togo. There is just a cornfield. Yeah, no security guard, no one is here. Yeah, we can see. Yeah, some on the front. Yeah, just stay with me. Yes, we were working a front bit. Yes. The right, yeah, the straight way. This road is go to the Benin, just for the farmer. Yes, yeah, this road, yeah, straight way, the front there. Yeah, you can see this the Benin. Yeah, that side is the Benin. Now we are going to reach end of the Togo. Yeah, this is the end of the land of the Togo. The next to this field is the Benin. Yes, thank you guys. Continue watch with me. snow, guys. Now actually full day we was the village culture. Actually, I like to inform you some of that we take the photo. This photo I did not upload because for the restriction of the YouTube, because in here the village, most of the village lady, those married, they not wear on tops anything. So this was not right to use this kind of video. That's why I have to cut from my video. Now we are going back to the city. Actually we were quite tired, then now we are going back to the city. So yes, just you continue, stay with me. Yeah, now we are in the city already. Now we are aware of the city center. Yeah, it was a bit tired and it was an enjoyable journey. We watched the lifestyle of the Togolese people, then how they living on the rural area, how they living under the poverty. Yes, we are going to reach the city center. Then thank you guys, thank you to watch this video. Please subscribe and stay with me. Thank you for watching.